Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview, and technically Forex Market Preview, even though there's not much to say, for Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. Hope you had a good trading day. The Forex market was completely dead, so we can gloss over that and not cover it for much. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. It wasn't super exciting either. Very flat net overall for the day. So let's go through the major daily charts and we'll see what we get here. So crude oil was down 30 cents to 45.04, coming off the highs that it's hit recently. Gold is up $1.90, but that's after coming off the lows that it's hit recently. The S&P 500 cash index lost 16.72. The Nasdaq 100 up 10.10. So basically a flat. On a $12,000 index, that's a flat day. The SOX up 31 points, new highs there. The biotech's up 49 points. Trying to break out, by the way. Anything over 4,600 on the biotechs is going to be a big deal. Russell 2000, though, down 35 points. So the small caps got hurt. The VIX down 27 cents. Finally closing under that red static trend line. The trend closes at 1.64, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.03, which is not a signal. Advanced Nasdaq volume with the S&P stuff is 7.7 billion shares. Looks heavy, but again, there's some reasons for that. The advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq, negative 918. So more stocks were down. Think about that. More stocks down than up on the Nasdaq by a lot, actually, even though the Nasdaq was up 10 points. The advanced decline ratio on the New York, negative 1166. So way more stocks down than up in that one. Google closes down $32.62. Apple up $2.46. Netflix down 66 cents. That's a blip. You can't even tell that it moved. Amazon down $27.30. Still kind of a blip. It was really not a very interesting day. We're fortunate that we made money. We had some good futures trades and good stock trades, but it's still not a lot there. Tesla was down 18.16. Facebook down 84 cents. Zoom, on the other hand, gains $6.75, making its way back up. Goldman Sachs down $4.82. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 20 cents. The Dow was down 271. In terms of intraday action, 5-minute charts, again, remember Friday was a half day and Thursday was Thanksgiving, so even though it's closed, the futures show some volume. So it's only the far left side of the chart that is a full day on Wednesday. And so where we opened Monday morning was really the opening 5-minute candle was basically last Wednesday's close. Then we dipped and sold off hard, came back a bit, and closed just under where we opened. And on the Nasdaq side, we opened very flat to Friday's close, went down, filled back to Wednesday, went lower, and then bounced and ended up closing right where we opened. So looked like it was about to fall apart, and instead it ended up being kind of a net nothing day. In terms of economic data here in the U.S. on Tuesday, we've got the final manufacturing PMI at 945, ISM manufacturing and construction spending at 10, and that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday, and we will see what that gets us as we set up for the rest of the week ahead.